Hi, my name is Arya Amit Thorat and I am a second year BBA student. Over the last 6 months, our college has genuinely worked on its overall development. We have regular seminars, training sessions, and industry interactions that has actually helped us to know how hospitality industry functions as and what we are expected as a student. Among the most impactful session was a session by Capstone California Wine, which was challenging yet extremely interesting. We gained the valuable knowledge of wine regions, style, and the standard of service. Another workshop was conducted by a Michelin recognized Chef Dayashankar Sharma, whose culinary excellence and instincts are truly inspiring. Regarding training and placement, every eligible student was given an equal opportunity to appear for their interviews. And through continuous guidance and dedication, I was fortunate to get selected at Taj Exotica Resort Spa, the Palm, Dubai. This direct and transparent approach reflects a positive practice initiated by our college that makes the achievement meaningful. I will also take this opportunity to thank Dr. Rohini Patil Ma'am, our director Dr. Pratyum Rathod sir, program and operation head Mr. Nagnath Bhagwat sir, training and placement cell head Dipali ma'am, and all the respective faculty members for guiding and preparing us for the industry. This selection is a significant milestone of my professional journey, and I am grateful to be the part of DPGU School for Hospitality and Tourism that prioritizes skill-based education and holistic development of the students. I look forward contributing to the hospitality industry. Thank you.